Hola. So now we will talk about stem changing verbs in the preterite. And again, so we will discuss past actions and events. Like here, referring to this picture, the question we ask, ¿Qué pidieron David y Alma para comer? And then we can see that these are hamburgers. So the answer, respuesta, is pidieron hamburgers. So they ordered hamburgers. So these basically these stem changing verbs, what happens to them is that the stem changes, and so it becomes really different to the original verb compared to the original verb. And so there's a not so big list, but a few of those verbs that have the same structure. For example, here, pedir. We're using the same verb, pedir. ¿Qué pidieron para comer? So she's asking, right? She's asking on the, talking to someone. What did you order to eat? And so, and then she's also answering saying, I order something, right? In this case, pizza, and my brother order a hamburger. And so, as we can see, we will see this change in the verb. That this is how it would look like. Yo pedí pizza, so she's saying I ordered pizza, y mi hermano pidió una hamburguesa, and my brother ordered a hamburger. So very different they look, how these verbs look when they are conjugated, because they are stem changing verbs. That's the reason why. So let's see how these verbs change. Pedir, the one we've been using so far. And so pedir, let's have all the information. So to order or to ask for. So this verb goes from to e, but it doesn't happen every time, only in the third person singular and third person plural. So, and this is where the change happens, right? This e goes to e, from e to e. And so only in the third persons. Yo pedí, tú pediste, él, ella, usted pidió. Nosotros pedimos, vosotros pedisteis, ellos, ellas, ustedes pidieron. Okay? So using the third person, the change, it says Antonio pidió bebidas y comida. So Antonio ordered drinks and food using this change. Another verbs that also have the same structure as pedir are these verbs. Conseguir, despedirse, divertirse, preferir, repetir, seguir, sentirse, servir, vestirse. And so these verbs, like I show here, that's where they suffer this change, where the change happens. From E goes to E. And so let me show you those conjugations. And so only in this part, that's where we're gonna see the change in the third person singular and plural. So it's gonna be the same, just like we saw with pedir, like conseguí, despedí, preferí, repetí, but then it's gonna change. This one, it's gonna be repitió, okay, repitió. And then sentirse, sintieron, okay? So that's how these verbs behave. The preterite stem changes only in the third person, singular and plural. Another category of these verbs, it's the ones that go from O to U. And again, these changes happen only in the third person. Dormir goes from O to U in the third person singular and plural. Dormí, dormiste, durmió. Dormimos, dormisteis, durmieron. Juan durmió 6 horas anoche. or Juan slept 6 hours last night. And again, like I already said, these changes happen or occur only in the third person. So we're going to practice now using these verbs. And so yo, it's gonna be doesn't change because you know the change happens only in the third person. This is yo, and so it's gonna be just dormí. Yo dormí hasta las 10 ayer. And then another yo, first person, and so it's not gonna change. The stem is gonna stay the same. It's gonna be pedí. Yo no pedí helado de postre. So I didn't order ice cream for dessert. And in this one, I slept until 10 last night or yesterday. Here, mi hermano, that's the third person, right? Third person singular. So this one is going to change. It's going to be durmió. Mi hermano durmió en ese hotel. My brother slept at this hotel or that hotel. Juan, another third person singular because it's él. And so it's gonna change from the change is gonna be here. It's gonna happen in this one. So it's gonna be divirtió, and because it's a reflexive, and so se divirtió en la fiesta. So Juan had a lot of fun at the party. Ellos also suffers a change because in this case, ellos it's a third person plural, and so the change is going to happen here. Servir, to serve. So ellos sirvieron la comida. They served the food. Changes from here. That one into E. Lucia is another she, third person singular. So this one is going to change again into E. Pidió. Lucia ordered steak with potatoes. Pidió. E-I. Ian and Marcela, y Marcela, that becomes they, and so that's gonna be plural, again, third person plural, so we're gonna change, and the change is gonna happen just like in this one. And so, Ian y Marcela volvieron anoche, okay? And so we change this one from A to E as well. So that's the lesson for today. I hope you have a great day. See you next time. Ciao!